welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos of almost fashion, lifestyle and travel and much more. So today's video is going to be more or less a makeup look for a festive season, and we all know that the festive season is coming down. अभी हम लोग बाहर जाए या ना जाए, but whatsoever, wearing new clothes, wearing makeup, heavy झुमकास and like वो तो traditional है हम लोग के लिए. If you guys want to watch out how I created this look, so please let's begin with today's video.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So first I'll be preparing my skin with some L'Oreal Revitalift. I don't know why I keep on telling it as a serum, but it has actually helped me a lot. Please stay tuned for a detailed review. Very soon I'll be sharing a review of this particular product, so please stay tuned to my channel. So I'll be taking like 2 to 3 drops approximately, and I'll be just dabbing it on my face. So this is a particular product which you're not supposed to like you know how you use a moisturizer on your face. So this is that patted on your skin and wait it for like 3 to 5 seconds max to max. It usually takes like less than 10 seconds, and you just have to pat it on your skin. Like I use this even before applying makeup, even before going off to sleep, even after taking a bath. So this is like it helps your skin in preparation. It keeps your skin hydrated, the foremost important thing. And just wait it for like to dry it off on your skin, absorb it in, and then I'll be using this lactocalamine, which is like a forever basic for me. I don't know why I keep on using this since like my childhood days, and I haven't got rid of this habit at all, and I'm really happy about it that I always keep my basics clean. So this is a particular product which I applied it on my face because I have a very sensitive skin, I have an oily skin, so these are like all the bad skin qualities mixed up all together. So I'll be just applying it on my face as we use a moisturizer. So in this way I think that the base stays strong and the skin feels like smooth. It's not that key it's going directly on your skin whatever makeup you're going to apply next. So this is again Blue Heaven foundation. Now I'll mention it on the screen as to which shade it is, and I'll be applying it on my beauty blender. So please guys don't think that my beauty blender is ganda and it's like not washed. It's washed. I don't know why it just stays in that color. Like it was a beautiful blushed pink color when I had ordered it first. And first I'll be taking it the foundation under my eyes, and I'll be blending it off on my skin. So I think that if you guys want a detailed review on this particular Blue Heaven foundation, so I'm thinking about doing a video on like products only of Blue Heaven and doing a makeup video on that. Comment down below as to whether I should make this video or not. So here I'll be just blending it in, and especially I have scars like pore marks, acne marks and hyperpigmentation marks on my skin, and recently I just have a pimple. So yeah. The next product is Elatine Compact Powder, and again I'll mention it on the screen as to which shade I am applying. So this is a compact powder, like basic compact powder. It does not have like any magical powers in it, or it won't make a difference to your face altogether, but I use it because I don't want to look like a tel ka dabba after all. So I apply it so that it soaks in all the like excessive oil, especially in my T-zone area, because that is where I get oil prone like every time. Next, coming to the eyeshadow part, and I'll be using the Swiss Beauty 24 shades one. So I'm thinking of doing a detailed you know review or reveal of this colorful palette. So stay tuned for that too on my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe on my channel. So the first one which I'll be using is the shade, which is a very pretty neutral and basic shade I had applied and I forgot to mention. So first I'll be using this dark maroonish shade, and one big problem in this shade is that it does not has any name on the shade, so it gets a bit difficult for me to explain it to you guys. So I'll be applying it on my fingers because I don't have brushes yet. PS, please raise your hands and please comment down below if you belong to the same category where you apply your eye makeup with your fingers. one is that you don't have brushes. Second, you feel like applying it on your fingers is much more convenient than doing it with your brush. So please comment down below. So first I'll be making a pretty decent base with this maroonish red color. Now I'll try to give you guys a better picture of that particular palette or that particular cake which I'm using. So second, I'll be going for shimmery shade, slightly towards silverish and goldenish mixture, a blushed mixture. So I'll be using it in the inner corners of my eye because I have applied the red and maroonish shade on the outer corners of my eye. So the inner corners, like I wanted to have a certain like an ombre effect. And for the third part, I was thinking that since I was wearing blue that day, so I wanted like a bluish and a slightly teal shade most probably on my eyes. So I didn't have like particular that blue shade in my palette, so I chose a decent like a teal shade more or less. So I'll be applying the teal shade, and this is where I was searching for the teal color. So that one is, so I'll be applying it in the inner corners. So I'll be applying it on my inner corners, and it's not like I'll be taking a lot of amount of it, but it's just slight amount on my fingertips, and I'll just blend it in with all the other two colors. So in that way you have an ombre effect of three colors, but because I was wearing blue, I applied that teal shade at the last. But I would generally if I'm going out, I'll just use two shades which would go, and contrasting colors. Now one thing is that many people use contrasting colors on their eyes, and many people use a similar shades, like two of the shades are similar but you use two shades. I think that looks pretty good. I don't know, like comment down below as to what you guys think. So next, I think that I'll be going in for my eyeliner. Now eyeliner is optional because many of you guys don't like to apply eyeliner, and many of you guys really do think that without eyeliner the eyes look like fika kind of thing. And it depends on whether you have like big bulgy eyes or you have small eyes, so it just depends. But I personally like eyeliner. I don't know why, but I personally feel that it makes your eyes look much more prominent. So second, I'll be using this Lakme eyeliner. Like this is a forever evergreen product in my vanity, like I don't know why. So done with my eyeliner. I've just used a basic eyeliner, like not winged, not so much of fashionable or fancy thing. So I'll be using this Nivea lip balm so as to prepare my lips, since the winter season is coming along and Durga Puja is coming along. Chapped lips are like so weird. So next, I'll just applied kajal in my inner corners. Now I haven't applied kajal like fully dark kajal. So this is a mascara that I use, like this is my recent purchase from Nykaa, and I really like this product because it has got a curved shaped brush, so it just becomes easier for us to apply it on your brows. And you so one tip is that while applying mascara, you dip off the remaining in the bottle so that your mascara gets really clear, and it's not like it'll get bulgy and everything. So I'm actually trying to upgrade my videos, so please comment down below as to how you do find out like my videos, like whether they are good, whether you know they're promising enough. So I'm really like thinking about what you guys feedback would be, because that would mean the world for me, and in that way I can also improvise on it. So here I'm taking a very slight and light shade of shimmery shade for applying it in my inner corners. Now applying it on the inner corners, like little amount, is really important. Like it's one of the crucial stages in your eye makeup that just highlights your eye makeup like all together. It just changes the game altogether. So as you guys can see, I'm applying it just a tiny bit in the inner corners so as to highlight the whole part. So I'm done with it. So next I'll be using this Elitine lip stick. So this is, I guess this is the shade Berry Dance, but still I will mention it on the screen. the price and the shade number which I'm using. So the second shade which I'll be using, I think this is Maroon Iris if I'm not wrong, but still I'll mention it on the screen as to which one I'm using. I've mixed two shades, so I wanted it to. So next I'm just done with my hair. I've just opened it, and so yeah. So second I'll be using, I think that I was confused with these two pair of earrings. So the first earrings were like pretty big, so I think these would go well with sarees, so I didn't opt it for this. So the second one is again a very heavy one, but more or less it was going on with the look, so I decided to go on with this one. So this particular one is a silver oxidized earring, so I think that I'll go with this one. Yeah, so I was saying it to myself, just dump me altogether.
वीडियो गाइज, आई डू रियली होप कि आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा और मैंने वो झुमका निकाल लिया बिकॉज दैट वाज रियली हैवी फॉर मी। और मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरा जो ईयर में जो होल है वो बहुत ही टाइनी है एंड इट्स वेरी थिन। सो मेरा मेजरली प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि वेन एवर आई एम ट्राइंग टू वेयर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ झुमकाज लाइक बिग झुमकाज, उसका जो पीछे का जो वो रहता है वो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट इट्स थिन, अदरवाइज वो मुझे पहनने में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत दिक्कत होता है, सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल वो पेन होता है। सो जनरली वेन एवर आई एम shopping outside like in local markets, I see it, but whenever I'm shopping it online, it gets a really tricky job for me because वो कैसा होगा, वो नहीं होगा, वो फिट होगा या नहीं, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक ताम झाम का काम हो जाता है। सो मैं जनरली प्रेफर करती हूँ कि लोकल मार्केट से ख़रीदने का, बट अभी मैं नहीं निकल रही हूँ। मैंने अपने पुराने सामान, पुराने ज्वेलरी से ही ये सब लुक क्रिएट करने के लिए शुरू कर दिया है। एंड don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because furthermore, because the festive season is coming down, I'll be showing you guys different looks which you can pull off like each and every occasion which are coming along since the Durga Puja has started, and I'm filming this on Mahalaya, so Shubho Mahalaya to all of you. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.